thought I'd show you guys what I do with my log to get it ready for carving. So first I have my log, it's set up here on the base. I put it on, there's a bit of a plywood, or sometimes I use a pallet. So I'm not putting the chainsaw into the gravel when I'm working around the base, so it's on a nice level base. And then next I'm going to look at the top of this log. And I'm going to find the core of it and then find and just study where the cracks are going and decide which way I want it to be the front, which way I want it to be the back. So if you look at the top here, so this is an aged log already, and it already has some of those natural cracks in it. So I'm going to look at where are they going to the edge already. So this one's already formed to the end. So, and it's also the shortest distance from the center to the edge of the log, whereas these ones are a little bit wider out here. So it's more likely that these cracks are going to form out the back here on this shorter run. So this will probably be the back of my carving, and then the front piece will be this area that has less cracks coming to the front of to the outside of the log. And I also use spray paint. I mark the front and the back of the log here. I draw a line down the middle, and I put an arrow towards the front of the log. So I know this is my front, that's going to be the back of the carving. I'm going to make an X because I'm going to write these lines straight down each side. So it marks the center of the front, the back, left and right sides. Now I'm going to mark this at 12-inch or 1-foot intervals, going down the side of the log, approximately. So this one, we're at about 4 feet tall for that one. I'm going to do the same around on all those other corners. And then I join them in a ring around on each level at the 1-foot spacing. Empty out the extra spray. And this is how I start my carvings. It's blocked off into a grid, ready for tracing my outlines.